Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make. First of all, you guys have to draw two lines and then you guys have to make a circle for the sake of eyeball and just leave a little space on the lower side of eyeball. Draw a deep central point in the eyeball. The portions I'm marking for darks and light. Let's close the inner side of eye using a shape like this, and let's finish the ending point of the eye. Then I'm darkening the lash line. Now let's move toward the eyeball. Darken the internal tiny circle. I have already told you guys about the lights and darks, so I'm making the opposite side of light as darker one. You guys can watch that video too for better understanding of lights and darks. I'm gonna attach the link in description box. Follow the complete video to get better results. Draw a lid line over the eye. Don't forget to leave a little distance with lash line. Now let's move toward the lashes. The main point that you have to keep in your mind while drawing the lashes is you have to start from higher pressure and then you have to end it on the lowest pressure. Draw patches of lashes, and in empty areas draw baby lashes. Let's move toward the lower lash line. You have to draw the lashes the way we have drawn the baby lashes. Darken the upper lash line just to create an illusion of shadow. Let's move toward the eyebrow. Draw a straight line and then turn it around. Start making strokes from the turning corner. Keep making strokes and blend them well. On the starting point of eyebrows, you have to straighten the strokes.